Hi everyone, it's Joe with My Things to Do. If you're returning to my channel, welcome back. If this is your first time visiting, well, welcome. I post fun DIYs and easy to make recipes. Stick around for a while by hitting that subscribe button. And when the bell notification appears, tap that too so YouTube will let you know each and every time I've uploaded a new video. In today's video, I made a mini decorative ladder. I've seen a lot of these ladders being made using Dollar Tree products. I didn't use all Dollar Tree products on this one. Come on in and I'll show you what I did use.
From Lowe's, I picked up 2 of their wooden decorative columns for $1.98. From Dollar Tree, 5 of their wooden wire brushes. And the first thing I'm going to do is start taking the wires out of the brush. And at first it was a little hard for me to pull them out. I didn't have needle nose pliers. I had to use my wire cutters. But after a while, I got used to it and it became a lot easier to take them out. Believe it or not, I actually got good enough to where I was able to take all 3 rows out at one time. But at first, as you can see, it was a bit of a struggle. And let me tell you, the struggle is real. At the end, I was kind of thinking I should have saved those wires, and cause some of them kind of looked like spiders. It would have been great for decorating for Halloween. Maybe next time. I've got some more wire brushes. I can figure out something with those. Got down to the last few, and boy, was my hand tired. This was easy, but still a bit tiring. I took some sandpaper, sanded down the holes and the rest of the wood just to make sure that it was nice and smooth before I used my shoe polish on it. What I did was I didn't have liquid shoe polish, but Dollar Tree did have the paste. I tried the brown out to see if I'd like that on here to use as a stain, and decided against the brown, ended up using the black on everything instead. The shoe polish works just like a stain, and it's dry immediately, so you don't have to worry about any dry time. I did this with all 5 of my wire brushes and the 2 posts that I got from Lowe's as well. For some added color, I took my white paint and I just haphazardly put it on all of the wood and used the dry side of my sponge to kind of wipe down the white. So it does give it some, just added dimensions and color. I love how this looks. Once I was finished with that, I took my ruler and I knew that I wanted the first rung of my ladder to be at 2 inches and the second rung to be at 10 inches. So I marked both of my posts at 2 and 10 inches on both the top and the bottom of the ladder. The middle of the ladder, where you have the decorative part, I'll be putting a rung right on that ball part of it, so I didn't need to measure that part out. After I had them measured, I used the first top and bottom of my rungs to make sure that I had them spaced exactly how I wanted it and glued them in place. I'm going to be using my glue gun to glue this in place, but I do have Gorilla wood glue in my glue gun, so this will be more, permanent. You of course can use any glue that you have on hand. It's what I did have, so I used it. As you see here, I'm just putting everything out to see how it's going to look once I get it all glued down, and making sure that I reinforce the middle as well. And my ladder's finished and ready for me to decorate. What I did add to the top rung was thankful. I got this from the Dollar Tree. It's a metal sign that says thankful. I added a heart that I had from the 4th of July wall decor. Painted both the thankful and the heart white. Here it is finished and in my living room. I added my crocheted blanket, well, it's like a throw actually, on the near the bottom rung. I really like how this looks in my living room next to the rope basket that I recently made. I'm just so happy with this DIY.
Hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button up there. Today, my thing to do was to make my own mini ladder using supplies that I got from Lowe's and from Dollar Tree. Make it your thing to do too. Bye.